boy. Good boy. He's just sucking. Oh, Glenn, you're pushing down really hard, buddy. Good boy. Oh. Oh my God, he's pushing down really hard. Good boy, Glenn. Good boy. Holy crap, I'm gonna put this on the floor.
You can probably lower it some.
Is that yummy? You a good boy? Good boy, Glenn. Here you go. That's delicious. Oh, good boy. Oh. Good. You get his orange nose? You're gonna pick up these Slurpee sounds? It's awesome. See, that's what you should do from the beginning. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Yeah, it's yummy. That's yummy. Delicious. Ew. Good boy. That woke you up, didn't it? Look at it. You're good. He's wiping his mouth off, isn't he? Oh my gosh. You guys want to get the rest? Want to get the rest? Go ahead, you can get some. Good goat. Okay. Okay, I'm going to give you the rest of this from the other side of the fence.
Yeah, walk slowly. So I was thinking, feed him the rest as we're heading back.
Good boy! Oh. Look at his nose, that's excellent. Oh, Glenn. Oh, Glenn, you're so cute. Not much left, buddy. I think you pretty much got it all. Can I kiss you? I'd love to kiss you right now. Thank you. Puppy.
You're leaking.
Out the middle. Good boy. Good boy.